see like, oh, Mira do. My purpose of learning this because I am currently learning about skincare product and also like how to do a skincare routine. I feel that I want to learn something. One is for myself because I feel that I want my skin to be better. Yeah. And then another thing is I want to add value of my service to my customer as well. Yeah. So I feel that besides my skincare product and then I can do some service. Today I actually learned a lot. Last time I actually always refer to Xiaohongshu and all that. So yeah, there are a lot of like Bojin and also Guasa kind of like tutorials, so people sharing about it. Because from Xiaohongshu I can't really know like where is the point and all that, right? But from here, I actually learned from the trainer like where is the point and how to do it properly, how much pressure should I put in. So after the session, I can obviously see like my smile wrinkle actually reduce, my eye bag also reduce. So which is very, just in 1.5 hours, yeah, I can see the result already. So I think this is really useful.
What do you think of Milo?
So I think Milo is, yeah, he explained thoroughly like how to do it and then yeah, do on my own face so I can feel that pressure, like how should I do it, like the direction and all that. And also when he do on Mira also I can see like, oh okay, how to do it correctly, para practice for a physical class like this.
Yes.
So you learn from yourself and you learn from seeing others at the same time.
Yes. No, really, I feel here is tight.
Yeah.
Here is like,
Plump here, and it's
yeah, I feel like I want to do here.
Yeah.